Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. So this is our 3-day total of 1,015.86 because we finished today, Thursday, with 349.90. Actually, I think it's 351.90 because a $2 tip came in and actually bumped off my end of dash summary. So this currently is a screenshot, but I believe when we go in and take a look at the earnings, it's actually going to show that we made 351.90. I'm somewhat happy with that. $20 an hour. Started just a little bit late. Did not go really past midnight, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I did manage to get all of my uh, transactions logged as far as my order uh, logging, and now today we're going to be working on our earnings to try and catch us up. We're probably 2-3 weeks behind. It's frustrating, but as a result, I'm not jumping on YouTube. I'm not participating in any lives. I'm spending some me time. I'm taking care of my business because I've been out there helping out others, which I thoroughly love doing. Um, but unfortunately, because I jumped into challenge,
Discord DM.
that challenge, things kind of really hit the fan and things started collapsing. And so I'm in a rebuilding phase. I'm trying to get everything up to speed. I've got 2-3 weeks worth of videos that I need to upload, thumbnails that need to be edited. I have numbers that need to be added into the Google Sheet. I'm behind. So I'm spending some quality me time and trying to catch up with this stuff and try and maintain it. And yeah, so that's where we're at. So hopefully you recognize that sometimes when things start collapsing, you just need to take control of your life and you need to focus and set a pecking order as to what needs to be done, first, and maintain that stuff and keep those balls up in the air. I know it's difficult. I know sometimes with this current economy, we just want to curl up into a ball. We just want to throw in the towel. We just want to say that we're done. And I just urge you, continue on, find a foothold, reach out to a friend, run through your ideas with them, um, and kick around those ideas as to what your priorities should be, and refocus and get the shiitake done. Right? Just get the shiitake done. So that's where we're at. And today, Friday, we're going to put a little pep in our step. We're going to try and maintain our order logging and work on our past numbers to get that all up to date. That's the goal for today. And hopefully we should be able to knock all that out. So with that, I'm going to go. Hopefully you will go. And let's go for success. Have a great day.